Hey there everyone, Timothy from ReplacementRemotes.com. Today I have the DirecTV RC23 remote control that will program to just about all DirecTV boxes and replaces many DirecTV remote controls. Now this one does have the AV1, AV2, and TV switch across the top. If you would like to order by phone, give us a call, 336-924-8787. One of our friendly sales representatives will be glad to assist you. You can also order with confidence online at ReplacementRemotes.com by clicking the link below this video and then hitting the green Buy It Now button from our secured website and order the brand new DirecTV RC23 remote control.
ReplacementRemotes.com, ReplacementRemotes.com. If you need a remote control, ReplacementRemotes.com.